In this video, I will show you how to log in your WordPress dashboard and a quick overview about the dashboard. So here is my website URL. You have to enter your website URL and then after that simply write /wp admin and then enter. Now you will see the login page. Here you have to enter your username and password and simply login. Then this is our WordPress dashboard and here is the post section. In the post section you can post your vlogs. In the media section you can upload your pictures, videos, etc. which you want to use in your website. This is the page. In the page section you can create your page like home page, about us page and contact us page, etc. Now these all are our plugins like Fluent Form, Contact Form, Elementor. Basically plugins are used to add functionality in our website. Contact Form is used to create a form in the website. Elementor is used to create a page layout in the website, etc. And here is all-in-one plugin which is used to take a backup and restore the backup of any website, right? And here is a code snippet. In the code snippet plugin which is used to add GTM code in our website, here is header and footer. We have to click on this and we will get the block of header, body and footer. So now here we have to add GTM code in header and body and simply we have to save it. And if you want to know more about this, like how to add GTM code in the website, you have to see our detailed video. That's all. Thank you.